Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jain and today we are going to discuss about the rational numbers. So let's start. Our today's topic is rational numbers. So before starting anything, let's know the meaning of the rational numbers. Maybe you all are aware of the meaning of the word rational, maybe not, but before it, let's understand the meaning of the numbers. Do you know the meaning of the numbers? What are the numbers? Exactly. Numbers indicates any quantity of a thing. For example, let's say I have a cap. It sees one cap. So it is roughly one. So one is a quantity. I have again another cap. So it is two. I have two caps. So two is another number. Numbers are those symbols or words which refer to any quantity. So numbers are the quantity. There are many kinds of numbers. For example, the first one is whole numbers. Second one is natural numbers. The third one, integers. And the last one, rational numbers. Do you know what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are those numbers which are started from the 0 and continue like 1, 2, 3 and end on the infinity. Do you know what is the meaning of the infinity? The meaning of the infinity is endless. Infinity indicates endless. Endless means the whole numbers are endless. Whole numbers can be thousand, can be lakhs, can be crores, and can be up to what you can count. So whole numbers, so infinity are endless. And the second one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which are started from the 1 and continue up to the infinity. Natural numbers are also known as countable numbers. These are known as countable numbers because if you want to count anything, you always start from the 1. You always start from the 1. Like if you have to order anything, if you have to count anything, you start from the 1, 2, 3. Therefore, natural numbers are also known as countable numbers. The third one is integers. What are integers? Integers are those numbers which can be positive or which can be negative too. So integers can be positive like 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes up to the infinity. And it can be negative too. Negative like -1, -2, -3 and up to the infinity. Here 0 also come. Yes, 0 also come. It is 0 is refers to neither a positive integer, neither a negative integer. It is a neutral integer. Okay. The last one which can be is rational numbers. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. In the form of p by q. Always remember that in the p by q, when we write the number in the p by q form, q should not be equals to the 0. Q should not be equals to the 0. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 2. Here you can see that all the q has all the q are not equals to 0. Maybe they are greater than the q, maybe greater than the 0, or they can be smaller than the 0. They cannot be 0. They can be greater than the 0, they can be less than the 0, but they can't be equals to the 0. Okay. After learning all the forms of numbers, let's discuss the properties of the rational. The property of the rational number. The first property that we are going to discuss is the closure property. Closure property. What is closure property? Closure property is a property where we check that is by addition, is by subtraction, or by multiplication, or by division a rational number with an rational number, a rational number will come or not. Closure property is a property where we check that if we add an rational number with a rational number, we can take another rational number. For example, we can take 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 2. If we have the like rational number means those rational numbers whose denominator is same are known as like rational numbers. Like rational numbers can be added directly as a common, and the upper side, its numerators 3 plus 2 can be directly plus 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Very good. So yes, so if we add a rational number with an irrational number, a rational number will be come. Okay. The second thing that we have to check is that is by subtracting a rational number from a rational number. Is a rational number come or not? Okay. So if we subtract 3 upon 5 from 1 upon 5, okay, the first one is 5 is common. Now 3 minus 1 equals to 2 upon 5. So it is also good. So we can say that if we subtract 3 upon 5 from the if we subtract a rational number from a rational number will be come. So closure properties also apply on the addition and the subtraction. Now we check on the multiplication. If we multiply a rational number with another rational number, it can become 3 multiplication 3 equals to 9. 3 3s are 9 and the 2 5s are 10. So if we multiply a rational number with a rational number, a rational number is coming. So closure properties also apply on the multiplication. Now the terms of the division. So if we divide a rational number with a rational number is a rational number come or not? Okay. So basically when we divide a rational number with a rational number, the opposite one, the second rational number have a reciprocal. Like it will happen like 3 upon 1 and we multiply it. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 and 15 ones are 50. So closure property is applied on the division 2. So here we checked that the closure property is applied on the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all of them. Thank you.